All right, so this is a question that I get asked a lot. What computer should I use to learn how to code? And my answer is use the computer that you already have. In other words, you don't need to go out and buy an expensive new computer to learn how to code. Uh, Now, you do need to use a computer. It could be a laptop or it could be a desktop computer, but it does need to be a computer. In other words, you can't use your phone or you can't use a tablet, and some laptops also you need to be careful with. As long as your computer lets you install your own software, then you should be able to use it to learn how to code. Some laptops don't let you do that. They might be advertised as maybe a Chromebook or some type of usually inexpensive laptop that's mainly used for browsing the internet. This type of laptop probably will not let you install software, and you need to be able to do that to get your computer set up with the tools that you need to be able to code. So as long as you can install software, you should be good. The next thing I would say is that you want at least to have a 64-bit computer. It's not to say you cannot code on a 32-bit computer, but it's becoming harder to find the software, the tools to install on a 32-bit computer. Uh, Luckily, I think computers have been 64-bit for probably at least 10 to 15 years now, so you should be okay there. If you do have a 32-bit computer, okay, that's the time that I might say you might want to consider upgrading to a more modern computer. It doesn't have to be a top of the line, but it should at least be a 64-bit computer. This book will show you how to get everything set up, installed, and running. There is a blog post that I wrote. If you want more details on this, you can find that at www.takeupcode.com/whatcomputer. That's WHATCOMPUTER. So takeupcode.com/whatcomputer is a blog post where you can read more information about this. What this book will show you is when you install the software, you have choices. You can, if you're running Windows, you can use Visual Studio. It's a tool that will encompass everything that you need. If you're running on a Mac, you can use Xcode. A lot of times I use Xcode when I'm programming on the Mac. And if you're running Linux, there are a lot of options. I'm not going to go into specifics on those, but what I use in this book is something called CodeLight, and the reason for that is it runs on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and that lets me show you how to code with one one set of tools that looks the same on all of these platforms. And so that's what this book will show. But like I said, you have choices. And as far as the computer itself, you should be able to use whatever you currently have. All right, that's all. Thanks. Bye.